If your leather stitching looks messy, it's probably not your technique, it's your thread. And most beginners don't realize this until they're already halfway through their project. So take a sip of coffee, because in this video, I'll show you 3 common thread mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1, cutting your thread too short. This is where the whole process starts to feel harder than it should. You should cut your thread about 5 times the length of the section you're stitching. It gives you enough room to work comfortably and finish everything in one go. And if you still run out of thread, it's not a big deal. Just finish the stitch, secure it, and then continue with a new thread from the last hole. Number 2, thread twisting. You know how it goes. You start stitching everything, it feels fine, and then suddenly the thread tightens and your stitches look uneven. That's the thread twisting on itself. But don't freak out yet. Just pause every few stitches and let the thread hang for a second so it can untwist naturally. And try to keep your tension consistent. Not too tight, not too loose. Good stitching is more about the rhythm than force. Number 3, fixing errors too fast. You see a bad stitch and your first instinct is to pull everything out. Don't. If something looks off, just go backwards, through the same holes, and then keep going. That's it. Just make sure you're not stitching through the thread. Move it slightly and pass the needle next to it. And don't stress too much, leather can handle this. Bonus tip, pick the right project for you. If you're new to leather work, you can start with this Lens Case leather kit. It's small, quick, comes with everything you need, and lets you focus entirely on your stitching project without overcomplicating the process. Remember, once you stop fighting your thread and start controlling it, everything changes. Now, I'm curious, what part of leather work feels the hardest for you right now? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to get more tips to improve your DIY leather craft projects. See you in the next one.